Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. I love margaritas. It can be plain, spicy or fruity, like my mixed berry. Another one I like is strawberry. But one day I decided to put a delicious twist on it. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my strawberry mango margarita. This cocktail is so refreshing, certainly a summer favorite. Made with fresh fruits, this is the perfect drink to sip on a hot day. So my friends, let's get mixing. In the jar of a blender, we'll add ice cubes, and lots of them, some cubed mangoes, followed by strawberries, and to keep them longer, watch the video by clicking on the top right corner of your screen. We'll also add orange juice, white tequila, I'm using blue agave, some orange liqueur, it can be Cointreau or triple sec, and then freshly squeezed lime juice. We'll place the lid on and process until fairly smooth. To add more sweetness to it, we'll pour in simple syrup, although agave nectar is another option. Put the lid back on and process for about 30 seconds. And my friends, this is our strawberry mango margarita. Very quick to make. This tasty, refreshing summer cocktail is always a hit. Made with fresh ingredients, it's much better than any pre-mixed versions. Like I always say, drink responsibly. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, cheers!